Engineers, Inspector Summary Video. Inspector Meneses here. I'm here in South Boston. We got a fire escape here. Some issues, a lot of original hardware. Tiebacks into the building, a lot of cement is spalling, so we just need to tie that back in. A lot of these connections are original hardware, but there's no rust in the connection, so in Boston it's unique in that we can offer an opinion here that puts the liability back to the owners of the property. So, but we do have some grading that's splitting. So the separators here are splitting on this. So these need to either be sandwiched or replace this piece of grading. It does need a full paint job on here. It's unique. A lot of times when you have a piece of grading like that, it's supposed to continue all the way across here. So we need to discuss that with the city official, because a lot of times they don't want you to be stepping on the roof. Under any circumstances. The fire escape up above, all original hardware. Some water and tears are coming down out of here, so water is definitely getting into the cement and it's tearing out, so that's a problem. We got to seal that up. A little bit of it on this side, but not as much as the left side. Looking up, it's all original hardware. It needs a full paint job, and it looks like the rebolting is just, again, the minor rebolting that usually occurs during a paint job. So that's for the front of this address. And again, it's shared with the neighbor, so this does not include any work done, but the neighbor's address is pretty much a similar situation. All original hardware, all original cement leaking. But again, this is just for this piece over here. Needs a paint job and general maintenance, and you got to secure all the tiebacks into the building, make sure they're all nice and sealed. Cement is missing on that little connection there, so things like that. Now we're going to do the back. Summary video. We're here in Boston. This fire escape has got all the cement connections spalling. So every single one of these, the ones I'm stepping on and the ones up above, is spalling. So all the cement needs to be repacked. We've got grading that's has this wood. We got to get all this wood off of here, but basically the grading itself is all splitting. And you can see the spacers are no longer holding, so I got to replace this grading or create a sandwich on this grading. Same thing up above, the spacers are no longer viable, so either you got to reinforce the spacers or you got to replace the grading. Full paint job needed. There's no paint on this. Must be an EPA renovator licensed person. Every single bolt, the heads are gone. They've come in and replaced a few bolts here and there, but they never did both. So again, all of these need to be redone. See, all that's eaten. So this is a 100% refurbishment on this in a full paint job. The grading again can be either sandwiched and salvaged with a reinforcement, or they need to be replaced. Both front and rear, the photographs in the video will show. So this property is a candidate for a refurbishment in a full paint job on this particular site. Again, a very difficult area. You're gonna have to bring, there's an empty apartment here, so we may be able to use this. Very difficult. The alleyway is closed off by gates. So this is a very, very tough job to do because of, there's just, you know, this is a private yard. This is the second, this is considered the third floor, and that's the fourth floor. So very difficult. You're going to have to come in here and literally set up inside that place and then work outside here. So unless they got access to the front, but again, you have to mule train half a block from down there, mule train all your tools down this alleyway into this area, and then with ladders. This is at least a 30-foot ladder, at least, if not 40 feet, to get access here. And you're gonna have to have access from that apartment. So logistics is a big issue on this fire escape. Any questions, fire escape engineers, inspector summary video, 866-649-0333, 866-649-0333, Inspector Meneses. Thank you.